Hello everyone, welcome to Zoom tutorials. In this video, we are going to talk about that how can we actually create breakout rooms in Zoom. So in Zoom meetings, there is a situation where you are connected with many participants, but you want all the participants that are currently present in the Zoom meeting to be broken out into smaller rooms or maybe in smaller groups where they can perform a group activity. But you do not want those group activities to be shared with the participants of other groups, right? So with this kind of a situation, a feature of Zoom that is a breakout room is really essential. It comes in handy. So in today's video, we are going to see that how are we going to work with breakout rooms. So first of all, what you need to do is, as a host, you can create breakout rooms. You can move participants from one room to another. You can close breakout rooms anytime you want. But for all those purposes, you need to log into Zoom account, and from there you need to just allow these breakout rooms. So what we are going to do is, here we are in this site zoom.us. So what you can do is simply type zoom.us onto your PC, onto your browser more specifically, and let me show you how it's done. So here we are on the site of zoom.us. Now in here, what you need to do is you need to sign into your account, or if you are not already created an account with Zoom, you need to create an account. So let me just sign into my account and show you how it's done from there. So here I have signed into my Zoom account, and what you need to do is you need to go to settings. In the settings, there are different options that are available. Make sure you are in this meeting. In this meeting, you need to go to this in meeting and in parentheses advanced option. So here you will see an option of breakout room, which is by default turned off. You're gonna toggle it to on. So let us just toggle it to on. The settings would be automatically updated. Here a checkbox would automatically be checked, that is allow host to broadcast message to the participants. Means the host can just type in one message and that would be shared with all the groups or the breakout rooms that are present in the meeting. And the host can have another feature, that is to assign the participants to the rooms. Okay, so let me just turn this feature on as well, and let's just click on save. So now once your settings have been updated, once they are saved, you as a host in your Zoom meeting will get an option to break out the rooms. Okay, so let's just return to our Zoom meeting. Here it is, and here I have already checked the option of the breakout rooms. So what you need to do is just click on this more, and there is this option of breakout rooms. So there is this room 1 which is already there. So let's just delete this room and let me just create a new room. So click on add a room, that's room 2. But if you want to rename it, let's say I want to change it to group 1. Okay, like this. There is this assign button. Let's just click on assign. So all the participants that are there in your meeting would be shown over here. So currently in my meeting, there is only one participant, Sam. So you can just click over here, and then you can just click on open all rooms. So these rooms would be opened for all the participants. Now participants will get a prompt to join this particular room. So as soon as they click on join from their devices, then they would be joined into this particular room, that is the breakout room. So once they are joined, you would get their status updated over here, and there is this option of move to. So if there are multiple rooms, you can move participants from one room to another, or you can move them to the main session. But before that, let's see how can we broadcast a message to all rooms. So let me just search for just type in hi and click on broadcast. So every participant in every room would be getting this message because this is a broadcast message. Okay, once I'm done with this thing, I can just click on close all rooms, and all the rooms would be closed, and the participants would be given 60 seconds to leave their rooms and join the main session. Participants can further select leave now option from their devices to get back to the main session. Okay, so I have closed the breakout rooms, and now the participants are backed into the main session. So this is how the whole breakout room things work with Zoom. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.